Hey everyone, welcome back to Master English World. Let's learn English in a fun and interesting way through riddles. Each riddle helps you think in English and build your vocabulary. Let's begin. Riddle 1. I kiss my mother before I die. What am I? A. Candle. B. Matchstick. Or C. Flower. The correct answer is matchstick, because a matchstick kisses its matchbox to light up, and then it burns and dies. Riddle 2. I have no life, but I can die. What am I? A. Robot. B. Battery. Or C. Star. The correct answer is battery. It doesn't live, but when it loses charge, we say it's dead. Riddle 3. I get smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? A. Soap. B. Shampoo. Or C. Towel. The correct answer is soap, because soap becomes smaller each time you use it. Riddle 4. What can you easily break but never touch? A. Mirror. B. Promise. Or C. Ice. The correct answer is promise. You can break a promise, but you can't physically touch it. Riddle 5. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? A. Steps. B. Memories. Or C. Footprints. The correct answer is footsteps. When you walk, you take steps, but you leave footprints behind. Riddle 6. I fly without wings and cry without eyes. What am I? A. Cloud. B. Bird. Or C. Rain. The correct answer is cloud. Clouds move in the sky without wings and cry as rain. Riddle 7. I have a neck but no head. What am I? A. Bottle. B. Shirt. Or C. Drum. The correct answer is bottle. A bottle has a neck, but it doesn't have a head. Riddle 8. The more you dry, the wetter you become. What am I? A. Sponge. B. Towel. Or C. Soap. The correct answer is towel. A towel dries your body, but becomes wet itself. Riddle 9. I am full of keys, but can't open a single door. What am I? A. Keyboard. B. Piano. Or C. Lock. The correct answer is keyboard. It has many keys, but none can open a door. Riddle 10. I have hands, but cannot clap. What am I? A. Watch. B. Robot. Or C. Clock. The correct answer is watch. A watch has hands to show time, but it can't clap. How many riddles did you get right? Tell me in the comments below. And remember, when you learn English in a fun way, you'll never forget it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master English World for more fun English learning videos every day.